Accused of IP infringement? Here's how an IP attorney can help. You've built your Shopify business from the ground up. But now, you've been accused of infringing on someone else's intellectual property. Your listing is suspended, your revenue has stopped, and you don't know what to do next. Sound familiar? IP disputes are common with a Shopify store, and sometimes, sellers are falsely accused. But whether the claim is legitimate or not, you need to act fast. That's where an IP attorney comes in. Here's how we can help. We'll determine whether the infringement claim is valid or if you're being unfairly targeted. We'll craft the right legal response to Shopify and the rights owner. If needed, we'll negotiate settlements or fight false claims to protect your reputation and revenue. Shopify takes intellectual property violations seriously, and so should you. Whether you're dealing with a valid claim or fighting a wrongful suspension, having the right legal team on your side can make all the difference. Your business is your livelihood. Don't let an IP dispute take it away.